Welcome back to my lovely subscribers and welcome to my new viewers. Today we'll be making some curried pork. So I'm going to start off with some freshly cleaned pork that's been trimmed and cut into bite-sized pieces. To this I'm going to add about 2 tablespoonfuls of green seasoning, and then I'm going to add some spices and herbs here. I'll put the list of ingredients in the description box below. Alright, so once everything is added, we're just gonna go in and rub this in so it's all combined. You can use a glove to season your meat if you feel more comfortable wearing a glove. And you want to rub this in properly so it's all seasoned. And then once that's done, I'm going to marinate mine overnight, but you can just let it sit for a couple hours if you don't have that much time. All right, so we got our oil heated, so I'm just going to add my my meat to the add oil, and you want your oil to be really hot. You can do like some toasted curry powder before you add this in. Sometimes I do that, sometimes I don't. It all depends on how I feel. And so once this is all added in, we're just gonna sear this off. So the curry that is on the meat already can get like a nice little toast, and then you can get that rich vibrant curry color. All right, so once our meat is like properly seared, we're going to just cover it and let it sweat for a little so the meat can spring its own juice. All right, so now that we got our pork to spring its own liquid, we're going to add some water to this. I always add warm water or hot water when I'm cooking meat to help tenderize it. So we're just gonna let that cook until it's tender. And this has been cooking for maybe like an hour, so I'm just gonna test it to see, and it's tender enough. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some chopped veggies, just some carrots and Irish potato. This is optional, you don't have to. If you don't want to, then you can just taste it now to see if it needs more seasoning or not, and then you can let it simmer until the gravy reaches a consistency that you like. And as always, you want to taste your food to see if it needs a little bit more of anything. All right, so now our veggies are tender and my gravy is where I want it to be. So I'm all done and we're ready to serve, guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Please give this video a thumbs up, like and share, and subscribe for more notifications. And I'll see you guys next time. Thank you. Bye.